it down the wall. Butcher from a tough angle takes a rim off the referee, and Kaplan takes over for Wheeling. He's harassed away. Moynihan back in the lineup and makes a centering pass to Michelle, which is robbed by Pav. Afternoon from defensemen, either from the top of the circle or all the way back at the blue line. Hadfield handling long wrist shot, sticked away by Pavlenko. As it's played near side. Hook back the other direction, 2-on-2, hurdling his way in onto the left side. Johnson loses his stick. Penalty coming up to Wheeling. One-timer off the crossbar. That came from Burke. Rebound pelts down into the far circle for Kulikov. To the far side boards. Up to Willits at the left point from Rizzo. Willits maneuvering his way, backpedaling towards the right, then gives to Rizzo. Left side shot. Save Pavlenko. Rebound. Sajin put it wide to the left. Up against the backboards. They plow it over. Rizzo to Sajin. Now a one-timer by Golder. There's a nice glove save made by Pavlenko. Nailers, can they... Getting 4 new ones out. As Willits winds up for the Royals. Whipped ahead. Burke trying to get in behind the D. Goes to the backhand pad. Save made by Pavlenko. Parker was chasing from behind. Meehan lead and plays catch with McMenamin. McMenamin going middle. Great block by Corsia. His stick exploded as he tried to clear the puck. Royals look for a tip try. Ramps up into the near side corner boards. I think the block shtick, then he realized it when he tried to spear the puck out of the zone. Penalty is over. Massey was serving. He comes out. A long wrist shot by Haskins. That's blocked. Corsia going to use that left foot. Good soccer. Frasca once again out of the lineup for the Royals tonight, the former Nailer who we heard from on Sunday. Nailers turn it over, 2-on-1 break. Frasca coming down right side, wrist shot, save made by Pavlenko. Rebound dribbled wide by Sajin. Off to the backhand ahead for Cook. Corsia tries to slow his roll. Cook comes ahead. Wow, look at Meehan joining the play. Cook coming in right side, and he just missed as he tried to whip it up top to the left. Out of the box, Royals coming the other way with numbers, but they give it too far in front of Rizzo. Chasing it down and hooking it around the end boards is Budnick. Long far side shot by Sajin, or make that Meehan. Caught and dropped by Pavlenko. NCAA, the new Wild Wild West. Rules be darned. Whoa, big collision near side. Erdahl got smushed between a couple. Moynihan was in there for the Royals. Well, had it broken up, and then it's flashed over top of the net by Frasca. So they'll have to fix that. A long shot by Hadfield. Pad save, rather, made by Pavlenko, who lost his stick. Do it alone. Didn't go for any help. Pretty much 1-on-3'd it. Ooh. Massey lunged at Sajin. Long shot by Frasca. Blockering that out of the play is Pavlenko. There as well, Pavlenko almost looked like he was the goaltender, the defenseman trying to pin the forward. Now Haskins, left side, high shot, and a chest save made by Pavlenko as he attacked it well. Nailers, Kulikov banks it hard off the boards. Good job finishing a check by Graham. A steal by the Royals. Haskin goes in alone to the backhand. Save made by Pavlenko. Has found a few, puts it towards the slot. It was a hair behind Butcher. Now it's Hadfield again, just outside the right dot, pounds it on goal, and a left pad save made by Pavlenko. Nailers air it ahead. Butcher coming in down the near side boards. Both teams will have now had 4 power plays in the match. Burke, one-timer, left side, reaching left pad save, Pavlenko. Rebound cleared immediately down the lane, away from a Gordie Howe hat trick, by the way. Royals come in, far side. Stopping is Burke, looking over. Willits in tight right side. Shot stopped by Pavlenko. Willits took another whack. Left side corner, up and away. Glove down by Guriev at his own blue line. Under 7 1/4 to go in the third period. Big clapper coming from Burke, and a pad save made by Pavlenko. Nailers, just 2 penalties aside in the third period, so dare I say it's calming down. Uh-oh, breakaway, Michelle nearly fumbled it, goes to the backhand, and Pavlenko's got it! Michelle, one of Pav's 23 saves in the game today. Wrap around, and then a pullback and shoot by Meehan on the right side. Looked like he was gonna try and jam it in. Over top, Armstrong looking to get in right side. Royals hold it off. Haskins coming in, far side, long wrist shot, and gloving that one down with the reach across the front of his body is Pavel. My fantastic color commentator, Brock Woods. Royals speed in. McMenamin, left side shot. Pad save Pavlenko. Rebound taken away by Johnson. Posma, can he fight it out to center? Corsia does, gives it a nudge to the left side. Royals re-enter. Sage and winds and drives. Soft one on goal. Caught and held on to by Pavlenko. Near side, looks to find it. They continue to tie up. Meehan at the right point, goes over. Golder, high left side shot. That one blocked. Pietola and Sagen tie up in the far corner. Under 2 minutes.